Hello friends. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of the stock market. If you're new to investing and want to learn the basics, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know as a beginner to start your journey into the stock market. So, let's get started. Part 1. What is the stock market? Before we delve into the details, let's understand what the stock market is. The stock market is a platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of ownership in publicly listed companies. It's a way for companies to raise capital, and for investors like you to buy a stake in those companies and potentially profit from their growth. Part 2. Why invest in stocks? Now that you know what the stock market is, you might wonder why you should invest in stocks. Well, investing in stocks offers the potential for long-term growth and can outperform other traditional investment options like bonds or savings accounts. However, remember that the stock market also carries risks, so it's crucial to have a well-informed approach. Part 3. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks represent ownership in a company and offer voting rights in shareholder meetings. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, often don't provide voting rights but offer high priority in dividend payments. Part 4. How to buy stocks. Buying stocks is easier than you might think. To get started, you'll need a brokerage account, which is like a gateway to the stock market. Research different brokerage platforms to find one that suits your needs and provides educational resources for beginners. Once you've set up your account, you can start purchasing stocks of companies you're interested in. Part 5. Understanding stock prices. Stock prices are influenced by various factors, including a company's performance, market conditions, and investor sentiment. Understanding how to read stock price charts, such as candlestick charts, can help you make informed decisions when buying or selling stocks. Part 6. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is a crucial strategy in the stock market. By spreading your investments across different companies and industries, you reduce the risk of losing all your capital if one investment performs poorly. Additionally, setting stop-loss orders can help protect your investments by automatically selling a stock if its price drops to a certain level. Part 7. Long-term versus short-term investing. There are two primary approaches to investing: long-term and short-term. Long-term investing involves holding on to stocks for an extended period, giving your investments time to potentially grow. Short-term investing, often known as trading, involves buying and selling stocks within a short time frame. Both approaches have their pros and cons, so choose one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Part 8. Practice and learn. The stock market can be complex, but the best way to learn is through practice. Consider starting with paper trading, where you simulate buying and selling stocks without using real money. This way, you can gain experience and confidence before investing your hard-earned money. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed the crash course on stock market basics for beginners. Remember, investing in the stock market is a journey, not a race. Stay patient, keep learning, and always do your research before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content on investing and personal finance. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.